Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up Shizuku on your Android device which is running Android 13, and you do not need access to a computer, you do not need root. We're going to do this on your device itself. The first thing we need to do is we need to enable developer options on our Google Pixel device, which is powered by Google Tensor. So you will go into settings, then you will go into about phone. Once you're in about phone, you have to scroll down, and at the end you will see something called build number. Tap on this 7 times. If you have a PIN or password set up, you have to enter your PIN, and then you will get a toast notification that you are now a developer. Now we can go back, go into system. You will see something called developer options, and it is enabled by default. Next thing we need is Shizuku. Now, where do you find Shizuku? Well, all you have to do is go to the Play Store, and here then you search for Shizuku. Once you do that, the application is going to show up and we are going to install it. Once the application has installed successfully, we are going to open it. Now, at this point, make sure you are connected to a Wi-Fi network, because that is something which is needed to start off Shizuku on your Pixel device without having access to a computer and without using ADB. So we are actually using wireless ADB over here. So herein we are going to select pairing in this section which says start via wireless debugging, and then because with Android 13 you need to explicitly provide an application access to send you notifications, we are going to let Shizuku send us notifications, and then we can go back. Now once we are back, it is telling us all the steps. So what do we need to do? Tap on developer options, it will take you to developer options. Herein, next up, swipe up and go to your recents. Then tap on the settings icon over here and say split top. Then for the bottom one, we are going to choose Shizuku. Now on the developer options window, we are going to scroll down, and USB debugging got disabled. So we're going to enable USB debugging. Once we have enabled USB debugging, we are going to enable wireless debugging and then say always allow on this network and say allow. Then tap on wireless debugging, scroll down and say pair device with pairing code. So here is the pairing code. Now once you do this, you are going to get a notification. So if I swipe down on my notification shade, it is telling me that pairing service found, enter pairing code. So our code is 428467. So I'm going to select this and enter the code, and then we can tap on this enter option over here, and we are now getting the message that pairing was successful. You can start Shizuku service now. So now we can go back to our Shizuku application and tap on start. And once you click on start, your Shizuku should change to Shizuku is running. Now, in some cases, you tap on start and nothing happens. It says that it is searching for wireless debugging. What do you do then? Well, you go into settings, you go into system, you go into developer options, and then you disable this toggle and then enable it back. That should make sure that the service is back up and running when you go back into the Shizuku application. If that also does not fix it, then unfortunately you'll have to pair it again. So you'll go into settings, system, developer options, and then tap on the wireless debugging option, and herein you will see that paired devices, mine is working absolutely fine, and it says over here Shizuku. So you can tap on the settings and forget it, and then pair it one more time after you reboot your device once. So we now have Shizuku set up, running, working like a boss on our Google Pixel over here, powered by Google Tensor, running Android 13.